guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I am showing you guys another jean jacket DIY, as my past one did so well. So if you've been here before, you've probably seen that tutorial, but I'll put it somewhere here as well. But since you guys really like that type of content, I want to create another jean jacket for you, as spring is around the corner and we're all going to be wearing it. So I really want to create a new type of version of jean jacket. And this one was inspired by one that I saw in a store here in Hamilton, Ontario, that they use this really cool fabric around the bottom, kind of like a big peplum type of look. But I want to use a fabric that I already had at my house, so I use this lace type of fabric. But what's great about this DIY is that you could totally use any fabric you want and create this DIY into something that's totally your own. And I personally love projects like this because you can totally put your own spin on it. And that's what makes a DIY so good. No two ones are exactly the same. So I totally love this project. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. And I'm going to show you guys how you can make this DIY peplum jacket.
To create this DIY, I started with a piece of fabric that was 1.5 times the length of my jean jacket around the bottom and 10 inches in width. I folded the fabric in half, creating a 5-inch width, and sewed down the raw edges by pinning it down first. I mean, this part is optional, just I find pinning it down makes it a little bit easier to do and just keeps it a lot cleaner in the end. Once you're done sewing down the raw edges, you'll basically have a tube of fabric. And the next step you want to do is cut off the bottom of your jean jacket. And once again, this is optional. I just wanted more kind of like edgier look to my jacket, so I cut the bottom of this off, but you can totally keep it on if that's what you want to do. Next is creating the peplum look. So I measured 5 inches and then folded the fabric over 1 inch, creating a dart, and then pinned it together. I kept doing this until I reached the end of the fabric and then sewed it together just to ensure nothing came undone. And I just preferred sewing this together and then sewing it to the jacket later, just because, like I said, I didn't want it coming undone. But if you are looking for more of a peplum look, I suggest making your darts a little bit closer together. And I do wish I did this, I did this a few times and I was not going to go back and do it again, but definitely a suggestion of keep them a little bit closer together. And also another tip is making sure that you are folding in and creating the darts on the raw edge of your fabric, as this will be the edge that you'll be sewing to your jacket, and you don't want the nice clean edge being at the top and then this raw one hanging off at the bottom. Last but not least is sewing the fabric to your jean jacket, and I did this by pinning it first. Just make sure you're doing the raw edges together and the nice clean edge is at the bottom like we talked about before. And then very lastly, just cut off any excess fabric that you have, because guaranteed it's going to be a little bit longer than what you originally had. And then fold that over, sew it down, and your jacket is finished.
That was the jacket DIY. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, and if you're going to try this DIY or you're going to go try my past jean jacket DIY. And also let me know in the comments below maybe other jean jackets projects that I should try, and I'll totally put those to the test as well. I am always up for a challenge, so let me know those. Let me know any of those in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. So make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back every week with more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.